Okay, candidates. Okay, contestant number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so candidates, kung lawagon gani ang number ninyo, akad to sa tunga kay awardan. Pension de? Okay. Okay, so since wala pa natapos ang tabulation, we are going to award the best in nutrition team costume for general. Ang kabilugan antong nagsaka bag ulang kabataan. So we have Mrs. Mary Joy Bayatan to announce the winner. Okay, the best nutrition team costume for general, we have Crystal Faye Brito. Okay, siya ang best in costume natin. So, made of tangkong. Made of tangkong.
Ang basket, ang basket. Kaya pabit, bet din ang basket.
Made huya-huyain ko ka din.
Ang basket, yasin na din, no? Ang basket yan. Si ma'am na ba? Day, Crystal.
Oh my God, so galing sa ulo. Ay, wow. Oh, the sash to be pinned will be pinned by your advisor. Okay, so Crystal will receive a sash in this Itlog Cash Award. Ay, wow, may itlog.